Hey everybody, hi, welcome, and thanks for joining me. And I only have one assistant this time because I'm filming from a different place. Welcome to my kitchen. I have an exciting video for you today. I'm going to show you a bunch of different items today that I think would make some awesome gift ideas as well as home ideas. And I am partnering with Magic Links for this video. Can't wait to dig in and show you these fun items I have. It's a little bit different than my normal videos, but only Wyatt has showed up for work today and it looks like he's already getting sleepy. You ready to go to sleep? He's like, what is going on? All right, let's dig right in because I have so much to share with you today. Super excited about this one. It's so different. I had so many boxes to open to get prepared for this video that I had a mess everywhere all over my kitchen. All right, so gift season is coming up and I know everybody is probably anxious to try to get started. As you've heard about Shipageddon, it's going to be hard, I think, for UPS, FedEx, and all of the shipping companies to really get those packages where they need to be. So it might be a great idea to start gift shopping early, but also maybe there's some things that you need yourself for around the house. So let's get right to it. First up, I have what is called the anypan from Our Place. Check this out. Now, cooking is not where I excel, so don't worry, I'm not going to cook for you today. But I did want to showcase this fun and very useful item called the anypan. And it comes in several colors. They just come out with a brand new blue, which I was drooling over after I'd already ordered the green. But what is amazing about this pan, and I will get to it, I'm actually going to take it apart and show you all the features of it, but it's non-toxic, non-stick ceramic coating made with without any potentially toxic materials like PFOAs, PTFEs, other PFAs, lead, cadmium, toxic metals, and nanoparticles. There's a nesting beechwood spatula with integrated spoon rest, which I'm going to show you. It's custom stainless steel steamer basket, sturdy aluminum body for fast, even heat, lightweight construction. It's a 3-pound body, so you saw it. It's a pretty big pan here. It has a modular lid to let off steam when you want to. Lock it down if you don't. You can lock it in if you don't want the steam to come out. It has pour spouts because nobody likes a mess. It's dishwasher safe. You hand wash the spatula. I'm going to show you in a minute. It's compatible with all cooktops, and it's 10 inches in diameter, 2.7 inches in depth, and it has a 2.6 quart capacity. So you saw here at the top, this is what they're talking about with the integrated spatula. It hooks right there at the top. Here's the lid. Here is the spatula, comes right off. Isn't that cool? The nesting. Isn't that, I think I love all these pieces. I can't even stand it. But the nesting steamer basket sits right in there. Take this out. Here's what the pan looks like. So many ways to use this. The handle stays cool. Love that as well. And this pan will, let me see all the ways. It replaces your fry pan, your saute pan, your steamer, your skillet. Makes a lot of room in your cupboard, right? Your skillet, your saucer, your saucepan, your non-stick pan, your spatula, and your spoon rest. So that is all the things it's supposed to do. It is $145 since it is replacing all of those pans. I do believe once you click on their site, there is a discount you can get just for signing in, and I believe it's 10% if I'm not mistaken. It does come in several different colors, and this has gotten a 5-star rating and almost 1,000 reviews. Just wanted to share that with you. I cannot wait to use this. I am excited. I am not the best at cooking. I just don't have the time, but I also don't have a lot of room in my cupboard, so this would be a true space saver. Okay, that's the first item. Excited about giving it a try. Next up, I'm going to switch over to cleaning. I also think this would be a great gift. My mother would love this. Anyway, all right. Want to talk about infused cleaning items is the next thing I want to share with you. And I am really excited about these products over here. You can buy a starter kit which is the 3 different spray bottles, which I'm going to show you. And you can get the bathroom. They have one for the bathroom. They have an all-purpose spray bottle. And then they also have the glass and window cleaner. My son was helping me get everything out of the box, and he was already asking me if he could if he could have one of these because he wanted to clean off something in his room. Anyway, I'm going to open this first one, which is the bathroom. Continue to make a mess here. And here's what the spray bottle looks like. $35 for the 3 bottles, and you also get 3 cleaning rags. So not bad price. And then these are reusable. So then you just buy the concentrated cleaner to put inside this, which looks like the ones I have here. And you can, this one's the glass and cleaner. Hopefully that is the one I picked, right? I picked the bathroom, okay. But they're all marked. And then you pick the one that you want to put in here. I'm gonna use this one since it's the one that I grabbed. Very easily, you fill this up with water. These little refills are $3.99. Works with the entire bottle. You just plop that right in here. Stick that right through, and then it works for the entire bottle. And clean everything you need to clean. What I do love about this particular cleaner is that it is Leaping Bunny certified, which means that cruelty-free. The formulas are free from animal testing at all stages of the product development. It's free from carcinogens, parabens, PBA, bleach, all of the bad stuff. And it's all listed on their site, which I'll put that information down below so I won't have to run through all the many things it is free from. They don't ship any water. They're non-toxic formulas, refillable and reusable, and also it means a long-term savings. This is a 10-time concentrate. So these little cleaners that I just put in here, it's a 10 times concentrate. One of the things I noticed on their site that they had called out, they had said if every person in the U.S. replaced just one disposable spray bottle with a reusable infused bottle, there could be over 15 million fewer spray bottles going into landfills and oceans. And that, yeah, 15 billion. So anyway, this is a pretty large bottle, as you can see. And I love that the refills are only $3.99. And there are several different scents that go with these. For the all-purpose, I got, let's see, we have, I think this is the lavender. Yeah, this is lavender lemon. The bathroom, I have eucalyptus mint. Hardwood floors, they have a hardwood floor cleaner as well. And this is lemongrass. They also have a floor mop, so similar to a Swiffer, that these would be perfect for the hardwood cleaner. That one is Meyer Lemon, is another scent. And I think that's all those that I have. So another fun way to cut down on waste, keep your house clean, and I love the scents. All right, so $3.99 for the refills. I also have the little caddy. This is $7.99. Carry around your little bottles in, as well as your little cleaners. There's actually little holes here to put the little refills in. You can store this as well as carry around your bottles and your rags. Everything fits right inside here. All right, so that is the cleaners. And I have one more fun topic. So excited about this one as well. Okay, let's talk gift baskets. Giftbaskets.com has the most amazing selection of gift baskets ever. From occasions like birthday, virtual celebrations, thank you, sympathy, anniversary, graduation, corporate, get well, baby. Anything you can think of, they have a gift basket for it. They also have it in any price range that you are looking for, from under $35 to over $125. So whatever your price range is, again, you can find a gift basket for it. I have several here that I can't wait to share with you. So let's do it. So the first basket I have to share with you is the snack and chocolate gift basket. It's the deluxe version and it is $99.99. Look at all of the amazing items in here, and I'm going to just rip it open and tell you some of the fun things in here. Scissors make it quicker. All right, yep, I see pretzel twists, peanut butter chocolate chip cookies. These are by Birds. There is summer sausage. There are so many things. There's cheese, smoked Gouda. All right, what else? There is Chinese straws, almondina, and yeah, almondina choconut. Okay. Roasted and salted peanuts, blueberry pomegranate, cracked pepper. There's so many things. Cubetti, cream-filled wafer cookies. There's more. There's so much more. What else do we have? There is a gourmet sea salt and cracked pepper kettle corn. Chocolate chip, more chocolate chip cookies, more cookies. There's more. What else have I got? Mud pies. Who doesn't need those in their life? And what else? Cinnamon brown sugar kettle corn. And did I get this? Cracked pepper water crackers. So many things this is filled with. All right, that one is the $99.99 version. So going a little bit smaller, let's do another one. I have the gourmet meat and cheese sampler. This one is $37.99. Here's what it looks like before I dig into it. My son is going to be in heaven with all of these goodies. I tried to get him to participate and he was like, not doing it. I can't get good help. Zena hasn't even walked over here, even though I have food. All right, so what have we got here? This one has Stoned Wheat Crackers by Eleanor and Flynn. Cheddar. I got cheddar cheese. And savory garlic cheese, cheddar cheese. This is white cheddar. I also have raspberry peach champagne jam. That sounds yummy. And more summer sausage. That's a cute one. This sounds like my lunch because I have not eaten yet today and I am starving. All right, I've got another one. Check this one out. This one is called the Junk Food Junkie. All right, yes, this one is perfect for movie night. If you can see all that fun junk food in there. And this one is $39.99. You've got gourmet popcorn. This one is the cheesy cheddar, pretzel crisps, Oreos, Rice Krispie treats, M&Ms, the peanut kind, Haribo Gold Bears, blue almonds, regular M&Ms. Oh, a Nature Valley Crunchy granola bar. Combos. Skittles. Swedish Fish that my son has already claimed. Oh, I love it. Okay, and I have one more I want to show you. I was trying to grab some variety so you guys could see the different types of baskets that you could get. So I have one last one. Look how pretty this is. Is this not beautiful? I love this one. It's shifting, I think, a little bit in the delivery, but I think it's gorgeous. This one is called, I'm gonna make sure I give you the right name, From the Bakery Tower, $69.99. Isn't it gorgeous? It's like too pretty to open. It's too pretty to open, but I'm going to. We're gonna do it. Let's do it. So first up, oh, top box brownies. I might have to hide this one and keep it for myself. Top box is brownies. We're gonna work our way down. Next box, cookies. Ah, look. These look like sugar cookies or peanut butter cookies. Could be either. Next box, brownies and cookies. These are a different kind. Look at these. More brownies. Wyatt's coming over here to see what I'm exclaiming about. There are several in here. All right. So many goodies. And the big one. Gobs. Look at that. Gobs. Who doesn't love a gob? These are chocolate gobs. There's also cookies in here. And I got 1, 2, 4 gobs. Two, looks like two, it looks like chocolate chip cookies, and then two sets of chocolate chip cookies and 2 sets of chocolate cookies. All right, so this was so much fun. My son is going to be in heaven once I release him on all of this food. I told him he had to wait till I got to share it with all of you. So I thought these were some fun gift ideas, as well as stay at home and enjoy ideas, as well as clean and cook. All of it depending on what you need at the moment. But I think these are some great gift ideas as well. I'm loving the gift baskets. These are fun. That pan, I'm thinking for my mom, is an awesome gift since it does so many things and it's going to free up some room in my cupboard, as well as the cleaning products are just things that we need right now. I hope you enjoyed this video. I can't wait to hear what you think. So please do comment down below. I will put all the information for these items down below. I did get some 15% off one-use coupons for the Gourmet gift baskets. So I will put these codes down below for the first person who grabs them. And please comment below. So if you enjoyed this video, would love it if you would give it a thumbs up if you'd like to see more. And I would love it if you'd hit that subscribe button and hang out for the long haul. And if you already have, thank you, thank you, thank you. Till next time, everybody.